I've decided to introduce Cash into the Chinese market. I've decided to buy 10% of a small-sized Greek company named Papagiannis. I need a valuation of this company by Thursday. So, work quickly or else bad luck.
A lot of boring math later.
Morning, Dr. Ibazeta. We took into the consideration equity rates of return ranging from low to high. Same with the cash flows. Valuing Papagiannis at almost 3.2 million is reasonable.
So to get the Papagiannis cost of capital, we need to calculate the sum of them and the make is 1. To obtain the dividends per stock, you need to divide the total dividends in 2018 by the shares outstanding, and to get the cost of capital, you have to isolate the key, which is 10.40. In Mickey, we have to do the same thing. You have to use the growing perpetual dividend formula, which is increasing by 5%.
Basically, senators minus the risk premium gave us the government's rates. We added these values to Papagiannis' risk premium and got this range of values.
As you can see, we took each of the cash flows back depending on the period. Starting from the fourth period, the cash flows are growing by 5%. So we have to use a constant growth perpetuity, and then we take this value back 4 periods. In the first interest rate of 14.9%, we got a present value of 2.9 million. Using the second cost of capital we obtained of 14.39%, we got a present value of 3.1 million.
But why did you choose that valuation?
Inflation and GDP are growing each year. If Greece were to lower interest rates, it would spiral inflation, so that Greece is going to increase interest rates.
Growth between 2017 and 2021 for China's economy is now expected to be around 6.4%, which is why we expect to increase consumption.
In 2019, because of the partnership with Eurocash, we assume a renegotiation to obtain a lower manufacturing cost, resulting in higher cash flow.
In 2020, we expect a lower selling and general expenses. Simple decisions like redistribute cargo's route or carrying out fewer transports with as many products as possible will reduce investments in fuel.
Also, by 2020, we expect acceptance in the Chinese market, as the government promotes healthy habits following the China Good Country Cooperation. Hence, we assume an increase in the percent of sales plan realized of 85%. This is expected to increase cash flows by 15%.
Out of this deal, Papagiannis gets higher efficiencies in transportation, better deals with suppliers, in lower costs, lower expenses, and just overall higher cash flows. We estimated that Eurocash, after covering all costs and expenses, would obtain $1,050,000 each year. We calculated a present value of 6.7 million, and if you subtract the 10% you would pay for Papagiannis, it would make a profit of 6.3, almost 6.4 million.
What would I do if something goes wrong?
In that case, the following factors would affect: liquidation of assets, then payment of all liabilities, and in last place, the resale of Papagiannis limited shares. Papagiannis will be offered the possibility of buying their shares back at the minimum price in which Eurocash bought them.
Good job. If only I was to grade you. I will give you 100.